Yan.
Hello, good morning. So I think I have challenges sa aking internet. So anyway, I hope na okay naman yung audio ko, Chow.
Okay naman po. Okay na okay.
Okay. So good morning po sa lahat and I'm very excited to share with you our topic today. So let me just share my slides. So I hope nasa mabuti kayong kagayan ngayon and enjoying this particular day. So, etong ating presentation ngayon is very special kasi uh, according to our doctor, yung Chief Health and Nutrition Officer, sabi niya dito, our health is our most precious asset. And this is really true, ano? Kasi aanhin mo yung mga resources mo, your wealth, if you are not really healthy to use that resources. So, what we're going to talk about is how do we maintain this kind of health and to understand also kung ano ba yung kapangyarihan ng ating katawan and what are those needed to stay to be healthy. So ito yung tema ng ating topic, no? That's why it's titled Immune Health, Providing the Nutrients Our Body Needs. Okay? So before that, a quick story lang po ng aking result. So my name is Alvin Velasco and right now 57 years old na po ako and 11 years na po akong gumagamit ng Herbalife nutrition product. And as you can see, yung result ko, it's a weight loss, no? But being overweight or obese, hindi lang po yun ang problema mo. It has a lot of discomfort, aches and pains. So, lagi kong sinasabi, my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, lahat ng mga tao na medyo mabigat experience this kind of discomfort sa body nila. And so when we being introduced by my sponsor dito sa product na to, I was really grateful na na-discover ko itong mga produkto na to. So it radically changed our life, our health. So from 192 pounds, no? Uh, naging 165 na ako ngayon or even losing 162 na ako when I last weigh in. So it's really amazing. I lost about 25 pounds and 7 inches sa waistline ko. So there are a lot of products sa Herbalife po, no? But there are products also na syempre paborito natin to use, no? Of course, the basic will be our healthy breakfast, the aloe, the tea, and the shakes. Hindi yan pwede mawala sa atin because that's the one na katulad ng diniscuss ni ni Philma kanina, it gives all your body the nutrients that the body needs and to give you more energy. So, hindi yan mawawala. And aside from that, I really love to use the Cell Complex, Nightworks, all the heart products natin, especially the Herbalife line, and Simply Probiotic yan, hindi rin nawawala everyday sa akin, Mega Garlic, and Extra Cal. So, those are just few na paborito natin. But then, we have to use all this product ng Herbalife to really experience yung kanilang power and benefits, okay? Now, dati po akong salesman sa Binondo, a Chinese-owned company. And I can still remember po no yung aking trabaho that every month ang quota ko is 1.2 million. And every time na darating yung end of the month, talagang grabe yung stress natin where we can get that kind of quota. And so, madalas pong gabi lang umuwi sa bahay, kumakain sa labas. Uh, lahat na yata ng fast food nakainan ko. That's why I balloon into 192 pounds. And this kind of lifestyle stressful siya, hindi rin talaga maganda. And so when we discover this Herbalife Nutrition, hindi po ako nagdalawang isip. I immediately go into training to understand more and to really get in touch with those people na pwedeng mag-mentor sa akin, and we have lots and lots of training na free. So you guys can actually do this one kung talagang gusto nyong matutunan yung ating company, ang ating products, and the community as well. So like this community also, it gives me it's an anchor po na tutulong sa'yo in terms of information about nutrition. So every day po, I'm inviting you, especially the new guys here na nandito sa Zoom, na tune in lang every morning and we can give a lot of information sa inyo. Okay? So that's really part of our journey being healthy. So let's go back po sa ating topic, no? Now, I want you to think, sabi nga ni Kent, no? I want you to think of your body as a well-designed fortress. Para siyang castle, no? And we have to understand why is immunity our best defense. So araw-araw yan, our body is silently defending our body, no? From potential harm through its layer of system of defense. Diba? Yung castle ganun no? So, like a well-designed fortress, we have an amazing human body that can defend, repair, ayusin niya kapag na-compromise. Lahat ng mga cells ng body natin, it's like an army protectors. Para silang mga sundalo, but each one with its specific roles to play to help madepensahan po itong fortress na to, which is our body. Ngayon, if unsuccessful yung mga sundalo na yon, our cells, dito po pumapasok yung illnesses, okay? And now, with the science today, no, na we believe ngayon lang tong breakthrough na to that we really understand yung to look at the ability of our body na and the food that we are taking, na malaki pala ang role nito, no? And to understand these things, it is very important para alam mo rin kung paano mo gagawin, no? And we don't have this access information 450 years. Wala tayo nito, no? But then today, we are very lucky, and there is the technology, the supplementation na katulad ng ating company, and it made a lot of help, no? Now, sabi ko kanina, it's like a castle yung ating body. Now, itong picture na to, tingnan niyo kung paano itong particular castle was designed, no? Makikita niyo diyan, no? There are a lot of layers, defenses layers. Meron tayong sa paligid nila, before you can enter the castle, you have to cross that bridge, yung bridge na yan, yung bridge na yan, at inaangat nila yan parang walang makatawid. So that's one defense. And then you enter in that yung mortar hole na yan, na kapag nakapasok yung kalaban, lalaglagan ka naman ng mga bato dyan. And you can see also yung ating bent entrance na yan, yung pasilyo na yan, hindi siya straight. It is really designed to protect the castle. So same thing din sa body natin, it has layer of defenses. Okay? So para lang maintindihan natin paano ginagawa ng katawan natin, kung paano tayo hindi nagkakasakit. Okay? Now, rethink health as a defense. Now, usually pag tinanong natin how do you become healthy or what is healthy, no? Sasabihin natin it is an absence of disease. Now, according to a lot of experts, sabi ni Kent Bradley, is it not so, no? Hindi yun yung talaga yung kanyang meaning. Now, health is present of defense. Yun yung sinasabi natin. parang itong mga depensa na to, like a castle, uh, maraming particular, and these five defenses na nakikita nyo, like the DNA, alam natin how DNA repair itself, no? And has a stem cells na pagka nasira yung certain organs mo, it can actually duplicate it, di ba? Yung DNA natin. Para siyang backup eh. Kumbaga sa computer, yung DNA natin, backup files natin yan na kapag nawala natin, we have that DNA to support it. Now, regeneration, this is one also defense that our body makes, di ba? Yung starfish, pag pinutol mo yung isang galamay niya, tutubo yan. Yung butiki, ganun din. So, regeneration, it's a division of cells na nagagawa ng katawan natin na alam natin nagre-regenerate tayo. It is actually to help us na maging maganda yung katawan natin. The microbiome, these microbiome, these are networks of good bacteria that are inside our body, making all those good chemicals, yung protection, hormones and everything. They're the one responsible for that, no? And 70% of these cells nandito po sa ating gut, sa ating small intestine, and we call it microbiome. Kaya we need to protect those things, no? And we have this immune system also na parang mga sundalo yan sila. 'Di ba sa mga ating mga defense sa bansa, meron tayong Army, Navy, Marines, and so on and so forth. This immune system also is designed like that, no? And of course, itong angiogenesis, it's a network of veins, no? Yung mga ugat natin that has the ability na kapag nasugatan tayo, they will form a new blood vessels para mag-heal yung wounds mo. Or they have the ability kapag kulang ngayong ugat to function yung certain organs natin, they will create. And then pag sobra ka naman dito, like if you have cancers, no, you need to cut off those veins that supplies the cancer cells. Gagawin din ng katawan mo yan. So napakaganda po nung sistema ng ating depensa sa katawan natin. And it is amazing to really study this one. Okay? And that's why it's very important to know kung ano yung kinakain natin to make this system really works, no? And we have these three categories, di ba? Yung macros natin, micronutrients, which is the protein, the fats, and the carbs, no? Yan yung ating macro, and those micronutrients like vitamins and minerals, and also the phytonutrients, that these biochemicals coming from plants that really support us, no? So, we are lucky sa Herbalife kasi meron tayong tinatawag na our global nutrition philosophy. So, hindi na tayo mag-iisip kung ilan ba dyan. So, binigay na sa atin ng ating company how to do it. 30% fats, 40% carbs, and protein. Nandyan din yung rest, nandyan din yung how much fiber, how much water. Sa fats naman, you have to take the healthy fats, which is the omega-3. And of course, you need to do exercise. This is how we really protect our body and feed those immune cells and make the whole defense system really works at all times, no? So, ganyan, no? And of course, kahit na ganun tayo kapursige, but then a lot of aspects, factors kung bakit nagkakasakit ang isang tao, no? Especially yung ating kinakain na yon, no? They are called invaders that can weaken our defense, especially yung ating yung mga kinakain ngayon, yung modern diet. It causes a tremendous imbalance in our internal ecosystem, yung ating body, no? So it weakens the immune system. This is due to a constant high calorie food, yung mga sugar na yan, yung too much meat and dairy products. So nakikita nyo, nagtakrak na yung tassel natin and everything. So this response on the body can break down our immune defense, similar to how invaders can damage a fortress, sabi dito. This can make one more susceptible to new and recurring illnesses. Kaya pala yung iba pabalik-balik yung kanilang sakit, no? Because they don't have this much supply of defenses in their body. Okay? So, what do our body needs to fight health hazards? So, eto, enzyme. Our body create these chemicals to help metabolize those nutrients, no? Pag sa protein, halimbawa, you can actually take in protein, pero hindi yan magagamit ng katawan mo. It has to be metabolized. And this enzyme, this chemical helps with the process. Yung protein nagiging amino acids na yan para maging ng katawan natin. Carbohydrates will become glucose, no? It becomes fuel. And fats becomes fatty acids para mapakinabangan ng katawan natin. So yan yung role ng enzyme. And of course, another thing is the immune system. So sabi ko sa inyo, mga sundalo ito, that we need to feed them in the right food so that they can actually do their job well. Okay? So syempre, this teaches us that whether it is vitamin A, D, or C, or minerals like magnesium or zinc, or antioxidants from plants, or protein, remember, our cell needs the right balance. So balance is the right thing here, no? Balance of nutrients to do the job they were meant to do, which includes helping our bodies defend and recover from illnesses. So, hindi siya rocket science. Kainin mo lang yung tama at the right amount. And luckily sa atin po, hindi na natin problema yan kasi it was designed katulad ng ating F1 shake. We call it F Formula 1 shake. Naka-design na talaga to get all the nutrients at the right amount. Diba? Napakaganda. And why does this F1 really effective? It really works. There are three things po. Unang-una, it has protein, quality protein. No? Every serving has 9 grams of protein. And you have 20 vitamins, essential vitamins and minerals na nandyan, di ba? So nutrient dense siya. Number 2, nutrient dense siya. So at one taking, at one glass, you get all those benefits. And number 3, low GI siya. So it doesn't raise up your blood sugar level. Yan ang maganda sa ating F1. So we have also the F2, yung vitamins and minerals. Okay? So itong vitamins and minerals na to, syempre, hindi naman natin nakukuha. Not all people are the same. Minsan may mga tao na deficient sa isang nutrition, sa isang nutrients, kailangan niya ng more. So we have to really seal the gap, no? Para maging healthy ka. That's why you need these vitamins and minerals. And F3, itong cell complex natin, no? This binds all of this, no? Kasi ito siya, ang kanyang role talaga, meron siyang aloe na ang absorption mo, inaayos niya para makuha mo lahat yung nutrition. And not only that, it focus on the mitochondria, yung powerhouse ng cell natin. Itong mitochondria, dito ginagawa yung energy. So pag na-compromise yung mitochondria, mahina ka, di ba? Mahina yung powerhouse eh. And this cell complex is really good. It has resveratrol po para masustain yung aging process ng isang cells. Kaya bumabata yung gumagamit nito, and this is one of my favorite also. And we have also the mega garlic. Alam natin yung bawang, yung how effective the bawang is, no? Centuries and centuries pa yan, alam na natin. but it's focused on heart health and brain health and joint health. So we have also the extracal, no? These are the minerals na kailangan natin para mag-function yung ating immune system. Ang maganda dito sa extracal natin, kumpleto na siya, no? Because calcium alone cannot be absorbed by the body. It needs a lot of minerals also to go along with it, like vitamin D, potassium, magnesium, nandiyan na lahat, no? And of course, the omega-3, we need this one also to protect cell membranes of the body. So lahat ng ito, these are all just samples of our product that can help us to enhance or to make it better yung ating immune system. Okay? So now, we are particular of the yung sinasabi nating actually patented sa atin yung cellular nutrition concept. Alam niyo ba itong product natin? That's why it's called F1, F2, F3. Pagka ginamit niyo po yan ng tama, yan po yung resulta, no? Cellular nutrition. It cleanses your digestive system mo, it repairs and regenerate. So that's why it's called F1, F2, and F3. And this mega garlic, itong mga sample na products na to, they have antioxidants, minerals, and omega-3 to really enhance our immune system. So, maganda yung synergy ng ating product. And not one single product has complication and every product sa Herbalife. Ganun tayo kagaling gumawa ng produkto, no? And so, let me leave you with this quote, no? According to Andre Gide, sabi niya dito, man cannot discover new ocean unless he has the courage to lose sight of the shore. So for me, it really means na you really have to give up something in order to fulfill something that's really matter. So katulad ng health natin, it matters a lot. So kailangan hinay-hinay ka sa mga unhealthy habits mo kung gusto mo talaga maging healthy. Okay, good morning guys and back to you. Ciao. Thank you.